Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashwika. Welcome to Globo Arte Pay channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video, guys, we're gonna be diving into and talking about the some proven ways to get the more views, to get the more eyeballs on your Redbubble shop, on your Zazzle shop, whatever print on demand shop you have. The proven ways to get the more views, to get the more sales, and talking about the promotion, sharing. So let's talk about these proven ways and how you can utilize them to actually get more views, more eyeballs, and in turn more sales for your print on demand business. So let's dive in. Before we go, consider clicking the like button, guys. Really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, guys, you can check the free resources. The link are in the description box below, or you could simply head over to globocreative.com, check out the freebie section, download it. You could also subscribe to our free email newsletter. Right now, we have put it on the wait list. Once we get started with that, we will going to send you each and every week in your email inbox exclusive content regarding making money online. So it's 100% free. The link is in description box below. Let's talk about these proven ways. Now, I have made a bunch of the videos of talking about promoting on social media, promoting your print on demand shop in various different ways. I'm going to leave the bunch of the videos, in fact the complete playlist of the print on demand Zazzle in the card section above. You can check it out if you haven't checked it so far. But let's talk about the first proven way to actually promote your print on demand shop is the SEO. That's a search engine optimization, whatever platform you're looking for, whether it's Redbubble, Zazzle, Teepublic, merged by Amazon, that means the Amazon itself. Whatever platform where you're selling your print on demand products, you need to have the SEO for that particular search engine. SEO stands for search engine optimization. It describes your title, tag, description of your product, how well it's optimized and how much it's related to that particular product, guys. So obviously you need to be very specific with what the keywords and tags you are using in your design. It has to be completely relevant with your product. You can also use the tags and title according to your ideal customer in mind, and you could write in the description box of your designs that this design is specially made for the girl kids, for the females, for the male, or some specific related profession. Whatever your ideal customer avatar is, you could really mention that in your description, and that could actually help you rank on the search engine of that particular website. Of course, you need to go with the keywords that are less competitive and are great demand. You could do your research, and if you want a separate video for each and every platform, do let me know in the comment section below, because every platform is unique. Whether you go with the Redbubble, whether you go with the Zazzle, the Teepublic, or other print on demand platform, even for the Etsy, it's different. So if you want me to cover any of these platforms in future upcoming videos, do let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna make a video show you exactly how to find the right kind of keywords. Depending on my own experience, how to do it for my own print on demand shop, so it would be helpful to you. Another proven way to get the more sales is about the social media. Now there are so many social media, whichever suits best for you, you could very well go with that. If you want to go with the video content or the kind of like audio content, or kind of like a post content, like a picture content. Picture content, you obviously know it relates to the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also with the Pinterest. If you're talking about the video is also catering to the YouTube, if you're starting with a YouTube channel, or if you're going with a TikTok, or if you're going with the idea bits or Instagram reels, and there is a lot more. And for the audio, you can go with the podcast. I think I had never talked about the podcast in my videos, but I see that the podcast could be an amazing way to get the more eyeballs. Like you could make the podcast episodes each and every week talking about your ideal customer avatar. You can provide value to the people, and you can actually place your print on demand shop link in the description of your podcast episode, so people can click on that link and can purchase your print on demand product. So there are a lot many ways you could pick up. I would highly recommend you to pick up at least 2 to 3 platforms depending on your ease and what kind of content could you create. Like if you're okay with the form of video, like I'm currently making these YouTube videos, if you are okay with that, then probably going with the YouTube is the best way, because of course YouTube is a long run, it doesn't happen overnight. But once you see that you started getting traction in your YouTube videos, that it would be very easy for you to get the more sales, because the ROI for the video content or the video promotion is more and is higher in comparison to the picture or post ROI. So that's why nowadays many companies go with the video promotion or video based ads rather than going with the picture based ads, because the ROI, return of investment, the video content is much higher in comparison to just the pictures. Because in the video you're talking to the people, you're interacting with them, they're gonna feel more friendly and it's much more amazing. So this is about the social media. Let's talk about another proven way to get the more sales is about the blog. Now, I am not that easy into the blog because I don't like much of the writing, but if you're someone who enjoy writing, who is a writer, or who even love typing the text on your phone or your mobile or even on the laptop, then you could very well go and start with your own blog articles, your own blogs. You could very well go and choose whatever platform you could choose. I preferably use Wix as well. I also use the WordPress. So I think that Wix is amazing and user friendly. If you want to get started with that, it's so much user friendly. But if you want more flexibility and you want to add more plugins, more codons and more stuffs to your website, then very well going with the WordPress is an amazing. But WordPress is a little bit counterintuitive at the beginning, like you need to know how to actually install it and how to download the plugins and all those kind of stuff. So it's a little bit counterintuitive. So for those of you guys who are looking for easy solution, then Wix could be an easy solution. Its plan is really affordable. You could also text the Weebly or the Squarespace or even the Shopify, whichever suits for you. But for the Shopify, it's more for the e-commerce, it's less for the blog. So I would recommend you to go for the Shopify for the blog. But if you're starting with the e-commerce platform, then you could very well go with the Shopify. Another proven way to get the more eyeballs is Google search engine. We left the Google search engine left behind, but you really need to consider it, because it's not just about the SEO of that particular search engine. You need to optimize your listing according to Google search engine as well. Because if you go type for any topic in the Google, you're gonna see that so many listings of the Redbubble, in fact the entire shop is being ranked on the Google page. So if you are optimizing your title, tag, description, optimizing your bio of your shop, your tag, your title, and complete everything, it would increase your chances to be easily found on the Google search engine, because we want our products or our shop, in fact our blog article, our YouTube videos as well, or content as well, to be ranked on the Google, because everything is all about the Google search engine and people do searches a lot many times, in fact a lot many times in a day. So ranking on the Google could be your great friend. Of course, it takes a lot amount of time and effort. It doesn't happen overnight. It doesn't happen so fast. Ranking on the Google will going to take some time, but we could very well actually aim for high and pursue it and start working too. Another proven way to get the more eyeballs is the Quora or the forums. Now, if you don't know about the forums, there are so many social media forums as well, and also the online forums where people ask the questions, and some people who know the answers, they reply to them. You could very well actually answer the questions to the people who are asking the questions. For example, if you're actually having one kind of niche you're targeting in your print-on-demand business, and you see that the people are asking the questions related to that niche or topic on the Quora or the forums, you could very well reply to these answers. You can reply them, have a complete answer to that particular question. And then you can actually promote your print-on-demand products by providing the link of your shop in that answer. That could get you more sales, that could get you more views, because if you go into the Quora, you're going to see that there are so many people who are replying to the answers, and at the end of the answer they are putting the link, or they're placing the link of their products or their affiliate links or their blog articles or whatever they are selling or whatever they want the more eyeballs or more engagement for that particular item. They're placing the link and people actually clicking on that link and then going over to that particular stuff or that particular link. So you need to provide real value to the people in the form of the answers on the Quora, and then you can provide the link of your shop so that people can click on the link and increase the more views and get the most proven way to get the more sales is actually promoting your print-on-demand shop among your friends and family members. Now, when you're starting with the print-on-demand shop, first thing that you want to do, because when we are starting with something new business, we ask us several questions and we doubt ourselves a lot, so we just forget about to actually promote or actually share our shop with our family members, with our friends, with our relatives, with the people we know, and that could get you more sales, because whatever you are making may be liked by your relatives, maybe liked by your friends, and they would be really interested in purchasing that particular item, so you could get the more sales. So consider that thing as well. Don't think that your designs suck or something like that. No, you're making an awesome designs. People want to get that, people want to buy that. So please share with your friends and family members. You could use your affiliate link to sell that so that you could make extra commission for the affiliate as well and for the artistic commission as well. Hopefully you find today's video useful. These are some of the proven ways to get the more eyeballs, to get the more sales for your print on demand shop. Let me know in the comment section below which one of these proven ways are you using currently, or which one are you thinking of using in the future. I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye guys.